beautiful gardening going on here. Some red, pink flowers, a good contrast between that and the green. Then we have cherry blossoms directly off of Yale and Yale. So we've got some amazing stuff to look at here in Irvine. The only thing that's not so good is our light system. Our light system during certain hours is specifically designed to slow you down. So on, during good times, you probably could cross the entire Irvine in maybe 10 minutes if you're lucky enough to get every one of the green lights. But during bad times when the light system is doing its thing, it could take you upwards of 35 minutes to cross the entire Irvine. If you keep getting those reds. So frustrating as we make a right turn here. Now we've got a local Target here on the left, and a bunch of awesome stuff like Urban Plates, Panera, Chipotle, all kinds of good stuff. FedEx, banks. Anyway, we're stuck here at the next red light, which is Barranca and Santa Rosa. You can see here. We could have been almost at Siam Kitchen, but no, we're not. It looks like we're going towards another red light. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. I need to ask my good old friend Arnie for his tank. Then I'm gonna coat it with rubber all the way around. So then when I can drive around LA during traffic hours and just push everybody's cars out of the way without breaking anybody's cars. No, we want safety first on the road, but I also want to get to where I want to go without getting stuck in traffic. Or even better, maybe I can get Elon to let me use one of his flying vehicles so I can just fly over everything and just get to where I'm going. It's 2021 and we still don't have flying cars. Come on. What's going on, people? What's going on? We've got robots that are smarter than people. They probably do better jobs than we do it. So many things, right? And we can't have flying cars.